All right, guys, finally the car is here. 11:50. Finally going in. See, guys, look at all these tourists over here. So many tourists. Okay, this is our own van. Nobody else in the van.
You can sit anywhere you want.
So this van is specifically just for SLS. There is one baby chair here. You can fit 2, 4, 6, 7.
Sit down, please, Elsa.
You can sit 8 people in this van.
They have a private boat, so let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Bienvenidos.
Wow. Ocean view, huh? What's up, guys? It's your boy Boa back with another video. This time we are in the Excellence SLS Resort. All right. Your key card is this wristband. So cute. I have a dragonfly on my wrist. Anyway, so right now we are in room 2306, Ocean View room. And you see this building? This is building number 2. And these rooms right here are all the Ocean View rooms.
I think this is the marina.
Yes, and then if you stay on the back side of the building, this will give you the marina view. So you see, SLS Playa Mujeres. This resort is one of the newest resorts that was recently built around Cancun. And according to the website and all the other people that did the YouTube videos on this place, it looks pretty nice. So why not go and try it out? We booked this place more than 6 months ago, and we got a good rate. It was about $500 a night, and we're staying here for 3 nights. If you check the website now and you try to book for July, August, September, the rates go up as much as $1,000 a night. So this is definitely not a budget, not a cheap resort. Let's get on with the room tour. So you have the nice entranceway right here. Nice material. Nice big mirror. Let's this time let's start with the bathroom first. Let's go over this section here. This is a bathroom that you can close the door right here. So this is the double sink right here, marble top, nice bottle of soap right here. You have plugs for your hair dryer. Where's the hair dryer? I assume it's right here. You have the hair dryer right here, and then you have so over here you have amenities, shoes, shower cap, dental kit, toothbrush. But I never use any of this. I always bring my own toothbrush, and I always bring my own toothpaste. What's very nice about this resort is they actually have glass bottled water. First time I've seen a Cancun resort that has bottled water in glass. You guys should know all about that plastic, microplastic in the plastic bottles. It's very bad for your health. This is glass bottle, which is, oh, so luxurious. I love this. More resorts, more hotels should be doing this. Save the earth, save the environment. Okay, next we go into the luggage section. This luggage section is just right for, you could have 4 people, no problem. You can put one more luggage on this bench right here. They have slippers down here. They have some shelves down there. There's 2 bathrobes. There's no bathrobe for the kid. Anyway, you got safe. What's that? Oh, it's an iron. You guys gotta be careful. If you're trying to grab something on the top right here and you don't know what it is, there's an iron in this bag right here. Okay, over here you have the toilet room right here, which is very nice. There is no ventilation fan. Over here we have a nice rain shower. Very wide, very big space right here. Huge. This is one of the bigger shower rooms, inside a resort. But what you don't have is a tub. Come on, where's my tub? Let me turn on the rain shower. Let's test it out. Come on. It's just decent. The water pressure, not too strong, very light water pressure. It's okay, it's not that bad. Just a shower. Nothing too impressive. Okay, let's finally get to the main attraction. Over here you have a,
Connecting room door.
Oh, you have a door that connects to the other room. So if you're going with a huge family, you have 2 rooms together. This is very convenient, very nice. Okay, let's get on into the main room. You have an espresso machine. You have bottled water, beautiful bottled water. Down here, you have some juice, beer, soda, water, Coke Zero. You know this is Coke Zero when it says sin azúcar, means no sugar. Let's see, you have fine cups over here in a nice tray, very beautiful. And then you have a nice monkey statue right here. We have a mini snack area, and then we have a ice bucket to the left.
Yeah, but I like this one.
Yes.
You ate already.
You ate one already in the lobby, baby.
I know.
Okay, then over here we have I think this would be a 40-inch TV. I hope they have Animal Planet. I love to watch Animal Planet when I'm in Cancun. Okay, bed test. This is a king size bed. Good, great bed. Great. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you, some kind of monkey? You look like just like the monkey in the statue. Great bed, very comfy bed. The AC unit in this room is very quiet. I love that. And then is this an open sofa? So it does open up. So this kind of sofa bed, it doesn't have the metal frame. Come here, you can see it right here. So if you look at the cushion right here, it's just like a foam cushion that opens up. But it's still, if you have a lot of kids, yeah, they can all sleep here.
Let's go.
All right, guys, this is the view right here. You know what? It is an ocean front view, but you know what? I also have a view of the ceiling right here. If you have the swim up rooms, this is how it looks like down there. I'm not really a fan of this swim up pool because it's like you don't see the ocean, right? It's just like right next to a big wall right there. It's not what I'm really into. So yeah, if I'm coming here, I definitely want to be in a higher floor. The higher, the better. We were offered an upgrade to the elite something room. So there's 3 tiers. There's the regular rooms, and then there's a higher one, the middle one, and then there's a elite one. So this elite room is pretty much exactly the same size and the same layout as this room. But the only difference is you have another section that you go up the stairs, and then there's a private tub. There's a private jacuzzi tub, hot tub. We had something similar like that in another resort before, and actually it was not much great use for. I mean, if you like that stuff, fine, right? You know, but for us with a kid, it's no use to have that. So that's it, guys. Right now we are going to hang out in the pool. We're gonna go out for a swim. It's still early right now. It's 3:45. We already had lunch. You guys don't understand how loud this hissing noise is. It really sounds like there's a gas leak coming from the shower. You can hear it right here during at the sink, and also if you're laying in bed, you can also hear it. So it's like it's very annoying actually. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me try to show you. Yeah, something wrong with the switch here, baby. I tried to turn it on and turn it off, the shower head and the rain shower to try to like reset it or something, but I can't take it anymore. So we called front desk. You see, the sound is so annoying. I can even hear it from the bed area. That's how loud that hissing noise is. All right, guys. So maintenance shut off the water. There's no water for the faucet. There's no water for the shower, and the only solution is to move to a different room. So we're gonna move to room 2312. Now just waiting for the front desk. All right, guys. After waiting a good portion of the morning, I would say it took over a little bit over an hour to relocate to our new room. And the new room is the shower is the way it's supposed to be, quiet. So hopefully now we can spend the rest of the day totally relaxed. You know, guys, I want to tell you a little bit about the vibe I have here. It's like when you're walking down the hallway or you see another staff on the resort grounds. You know, sometimes when they make eye contact with you, you know, they don't like, you know, give you a smile and like, you know, say like how you doing or hi, you know, a simple greeting to acknowledge that, you know, like you feel like a special guest, you know. I'm not saying all Cancun resort does that, but there are places that do that, and the staff are very welcoming, and it's another level of hospitality. You don't have a luxury experience here in SLS. I don't know, it could be all just in my head and I'm just expecting too much. You know, you guys let me know. Am I expecting too much to feel like I'm lacking of hospitality? If I was paying like, you know, $300 or $350 a night, if I was staying in Royalton or if I was staying in Hyatt Riviera, you know, I'm not paying too much, so you know, I don't expect too much. But if you're paying, you know, $500 or $1,000 a night, if you're paying a lot of money and you're expecting a luxury experience, it's you know, I don't feel it here in SLS. In the pictures and in the videos from far away, you know, the resort looks nice, but when you're actually here and then you look at the materials of the hallway, you know, of like the elevator, and you just look at the materials, it's like it doesn't feel like a brand new resort. It's just like once you notice these little details in the quality of the, you know, of the resort, it's like, man, like why is it like that? I don't know, guys. It might be all just in my head, and I'm making a big deal out of nothing. You see, guys, look at the example of the quality of the work done to this hotel. They were opened just last year in, what is it, November? But look at this. Look at this yellowing right here. It's cracked, and this thing is like pushed in. Like, it just looks so weird. It just looks so funny. That's why, I guess that's why they put this wood thing right here in the middle to kind of make it look better. It's not just about this sink. It's like you can see this kind of quality around the room, and it's just it's not very bad, but it's just like it's very noticeable, and it just makes you think, how can this look like this for a brand new resort? I mean, tell me what you guys think. I could be nitpicking, but hey, what I see is what I see. But overall, 90% of the room is excellent. See, very nice over here. The bed is super comfy. I'm really happy about the bed. It's good stuff. Guys, look at this bathroom. You see? When I'm in the bathroom right now, look at all this. The side is so large like that. And then you see this thing right here. Look at the craftsmanship. The tiles are already cracking up. Look at this. The bathroom area, I'm totally not into this bathroom design. It looks like there's mold all over the bathroom. You're chilling outside on your balcony, and then right here you're chilling, you're reading a book or something, you're enjoying the ocean view, and then what you see? You see rusted metal right in front of you, right here. Honestly, this is not something that I want to see at a $500 and $1,000 resort. I mean, just this property is only 5 months old. Alright guys, that's the end of the SLS Cancun room tour. The next video, part 2, I will be showing you around the resort and all the food that we ate. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.